Hi, I'm Barney from JCC and I'm here to introduce you to the new V50 Pro Retrofit range. V50 Pro Retrofit is available in three sizes: 100mm, 135 and 170. It's for retrofit applications with larger cutouts between 70 and 159mm. V50 Pro Retrofit range has consistent features throughout the three sizes. The popular V50 spring clips, the detachable driver, and the shallow can height suitable for shallow ceiling voids. The V50 Retrofit range means that contractors no longer need to buy the concealer ring. The larger can and bezel allows damaged cutouts caused by previous downlights to be covered up without the need to be replastered and also maintain the fire rating. All V50 Pro have familiar features of the standard V50, such as colour selectable 3000K and 4000K beneath the ceiling. The new style of the V50 Pro Retrofit range features an ultra slim bezel and a seamless front finish, compared to the previous style which had a two-part bezel and 4 spring clip configuration on the back. All of the bezels are available in matte white finish. For more videos like this, make sure to follow us on YouTube, and for more information about V50 Pro, make sure to get in contact with your local wholesaler.